The insulation tests were illuminating. The polyester rolls had significant advantages in all circumstances. Fitting to standard joist spacing was much easier with the polyester rolls. Stapling the polyester to the joists holds it firmly against the floor. The polyester makes it easier to handle any joist spacing as you go. And it's much easier to work without fogged up goggles. So there you have it. Polyester rolls are massively easier to load in under your floor. Polyester rolls are so much easier to fit in all real circumstances. And at the time this video was made, on a square metre basis, value poly was actually cheaper than the fiberglass bats. Thinking of insulating your underfloor? I think you know what insulation is going to give you a better, easier and faster job. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching.